What's going on, y'all? Today we're gonna do a little creek fishing in one of my favorite spots in the whole world. I usually try to fish it at least once a year. um, this little creek has some holes in it that are home to some bass and different types of sunfish. It's really just really peaceful and beautiful. Even if you don't catch any fish, it's worth the trip. Now we got a little bit of a hike to get down there to it, but I can't wait to see if they're biting. All right, we made it down here finally. Took a little bit of a wrong turn, but as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. It's peaceful, and it's just a great place to fish. Hopefully they're biting. There we go. There's one. There's one. Haha. Little spotted bass. Little creek bass. You hooked him good. Yeah, come on, man. I'll hurt your mouth. There we go. There's our first little fish. Nice little spotted creek bass. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. We'll give him a toss back. Go home. He's all good. Maybe we can do that a few more times. Oh, got another one. Got another one. A little better one. He pulling drag. He pulling drag. There we go. That's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. Same cat, same spot. Oh, oh, don't knock yourself off. Oh, I caught him. That one a little bit better. A little bit better fish. Next cast. That's what I'm talking about. Might have found a little pocket right there. We'll go 3 for 3? No, we didn't get 3 for 3. Oh, oh, that one's pulling drag. Oh, that one's a good one. That's a good one. It wouldn't get him in. That's a good one. That's a good, oh, he came off. He came off, there he goes. He hooked up, that's a good one right there. We found us a little honey hole. That's fun. They liking the rooster tail. If you just want to know what I'm using, just 1/16 out rooster tail. Three fish and 4 casts. We didn't land that one. I don't guess it counts, but we got him right here to us. He's pulling drag. Oh, that one just hit it. I had one just come out of nowhere and hit it right there, but he didn't take it. This is so much fun. This is probably my favorite place in the world to fish. Oh, we got one. We got another one. Wearing them out. See if we can land this one. See if we can land this one. Oh, we got another one. We got another one. We landed 3, caught 4. Yeah. Look at that fish. Ow! Oh, you put the hook in my finger. But you took yourself off the hook. Get back in the water. Go. Get back in the water. Get back in the water. Quit going that way. Get back in the water. That one de-hooked himself and stuck a hook in my finger, but I'm all right. Go back in the water. 4 fish. Could be. Or is that 3 fish? Could have had 4 fish already in one spot. Oh, big fast. Got one. That's what I'm talking about. Another little bass. Wearing them out today, son. A good little bass. Was that landed 4, caught 5. Got another one to the bank. I don't know, it's just happening so fast. We're gonna wait a little bit too. These little creek bass are just so aggressive. So much fun. There you go, little buddy. I'll get it over there by that log without getting caught up. Take it this way. Oh, got a hit. A bunch of little fish chasing. Bunch of little fish were chasing right there. Oh God. What do I catch? I caught something by accident. Caught something by accident. Look at that fish. Was that a long-eared, little long-eared sunfish, pumpkin seed? Look at that fish. That was a pure accident. I was hoping to catch one of those. I think it's a long-eared sunfish. Beautiful colors on it. That was a complete accident. I didn't even mean to cast there. Let's see if I can get this out of there. You go. It's a cool fish. Oh, I got one all the way out there. Oh, he's got some shoulders on him. Some little shoulders. If I can get him all the way in. Some little, oh, there he goes. Oh, that's a good cast. Yep, we got one. We got one. And we got one. Almost foul hooked him. He's probably about to come off the hook. Well, you better hook than I thought you were. Yeah, I hooked you better than I thought I did. There we go. Another little bass. Going back home. Oh, that's a good cast too. That might be a fish. Oh, yep. Another sunfish. That long-eared sunfish. Ooh, look at that one. Oh, wow. That one's a little bit bigger than the first one. That's such a cool fish. Look at the colors on it. we're gonna get the cell phone out for this one. Oh, that's a nice spot. We got a fish too. Oh, it came off. Oh, nope, another one picked it up. They're fighting over it. They're fighting over it. Look at them. They're fighting over it. One's trying to take it from the other one. Oh, he came off. Ooh, there's a log there. Hope I don't get hung. Oh, got hit. Lost him. Oh, got him. Got another one. That's a little bit bigger. That's a little bit bigger. That's a little bit better fish. I don't really know the subspecies of bass that is. Probably a spot. Might be a largemouth, but it's got small mouth. A little bit better fish right there. There you go. Go back, bite again. You're a lot of fun to catch. Little long-eared sunfish. Oh, got him. A little aggressive long-eared sunfish. Right now, it doesn't look like it really matters what you throw down there to them. Oh, got one. Got our third species. No bluegill. Third species. The old beetle spin. I lost my green rooster tail, but it served me well. Old bluegill. Ooh, got hit hard again. Green long-eared sunfish. Those are so much fun to catch. It's just a cool fish. Oh, did I get one? Got something. No, not as pretty, but another long-eared sunfish. Pretty fish though. So, whew, I'm out of breath. I just basically had to scale a bluff to get back up here, but it was definitely worth it. That was a whole lot of fun, and it was probably the best day I've ever had in that particular spot. I hope you had fun watching it. Remember, if you like the content, hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel grow. Until next time, thank you.